This is a very unique phenomena of a mass of salt slowly rising, pushed up from the surface of our planet. And a little later, I will explain to you why. Before we go into the space of the Dead Sea Works, I would like to give you a short introduction about this area, the lowest region on Earth. Please stop talking here. Please stop talking. The Dead Sea is the lowest region on Earth. At present, the water level in the Dead Sea is about 445 to 450 meters below sea level. It's the largest mass of water, the largest, saltiest mass of water in the world. The salt concentration, the mineral concentration in the Dead Sea at present is between 34 and 35% minerals. That means that every liter of water has 350 grams, not milligrams, but grams of minerals. If you take 1 liter and you evaporate all the water, 1/3 of the volume of the water will remain minerals, okay? And with that, this is the maximum possible concentration of the Dead Sea. Until the State of Israel was established, the Dead Sea was more or less at a steady state between water flowing in and water evaporating. As the lowest region, fresh water comes from very large distances, from Syria, from Lebanon, from Israel, from Egypt, from Jordan. Fresh water which we can basically drink, but because this is the lowest region, the water evaporates, the minerals remain. In rainy years it went up, in dry years it went down, but when the State of Israel was established, 1948, a decision was made to settle the south part of our country. Half of our territory is desert, the Negev. So it had to be settled. Water had to be brought from the outside. Israel built a project taking water from the Sea of Galilee, diverting it to the south. This project started its operation in 1964. The outlet of water from the Sea of Galilee toward the Dead Sea was blocked, and since then, since 1964, the water reaching the Dead Sea through the Jordan River, which comes out of the Sea of Galilee, was blocked by 90%. So nowadays, more water is evaporating than coming in, and the water level in the Dead Sea started dropping. In recent years, it has been dropping at a rate of about 1 meter every year, and since 1964, as of today, the water level dropped by 46 meters, which seems a lot, but it's not that critical to the northern basin because it is still very deep. Nowadays, in the deepest point, it's about 300 meters deep. So minus 50 meters, 100 meters, not the end of the world. But the southern basin is less than 20 meters in depth. So according to this calculation, the southern basin should be completely dry by now. But obviously it's not dry. In order to prevent the drying of the southern basin, a canal was built taking water from the northern basin, diverting and bringing water from the north to the south. And with this canal, the water level in the south is artificially regulated. For us, it is important that the Dead Sea will not dry.